Hi, this is Chef Fabien. I'm the executive chef at the Westin in Jackson, and here we are in Estelle kitchen. We get great produce in Mississippi: watermelon from Smith County, fresh okra, cucumbers, ripe tomatoes, and this is why we want to work with the farmers here in Mississippi. And I will take you to the fresh market. I will show you how to pick up the best local products at the farmers market. Come with me. So we are on our way to Brenda Farmers Market. We are picking a lot of items from her. She produce and also sell produce around the same area that her farm is. I like working with Brenda because she's 7 days a week at the farmers market, and she has great produce, especially at the moment of being in the summertime. So first we'll be starting with the watermelon. They come from Smith County, and to select a good watermelon, tap it in the center to make sure it's not hollow, and that will assure a sugar level and a flesh that is firm enough to be used. So at Brenda Produce, the tomatoes are nice, firm, but they also are olfactive, which is a good sign of a ripe tomatoes. So this is what you're looking for, tomatoes. Very important, when you pick up your tomatoes, never refrigerate them. They will lose the flavor and you will have some tomatoes that are not really at their best. So firm but olfactive, nice red colors is what you're looking for in a tomato. So we're going to be selecting some cucumbers also. You're looking at a nice firm cucumbers. We're looking at a small size because it's going to be Parisian scoop. So a nice green, firm cucumbers is what we'll be looking for. To find a good pitch, you have to take it, see if it's a little bit firm, but not too soft. And if you have any smell coming out, that means your pitch is ready. We'll be blanching it and sauteing, so we want them a little bit firm so it can hold the shape through the cooking. A great dish is a way of using the best product that you can find. So this is why it's so important to use local grown produce, just like we do at Estelle, for making great food.